Sometimes it's the simplest of desserts that taste the best, just like strawberries and cream. And my favourite way of preparing strawberries and cream is to use creme fraiche. Creme fraiche has a really mild, tangy flavour. It's super light and it goes so nicely with cinnamon. But to make sure that it's light and fluffy, you can actually whisk creme fraiche. It's very easy to do. All you need to remember is to add a spoonful of whipping cream so it thickens up and doubles in size. So I'll just grab a spoon. We'll add that to a large bowl so we can get as much air into it while we whisk. And now I'll add a small amount of whipping cream. And then, just with a good old whisk, I'm going to whisk this until soft peaks form. Now once you start to see the cream thicken up, we can add some icing sugar, just as much as you like. I'm going to add a few tablespoons and some cinnamon because cinnamon and creme fraiche work nicely, and also it goes with the strawberries. So a generous pinch of that, and then we'll just incorporate it. And don't over whisk it. You know you've over whisked your creme fraiche if it starts to split and go grainy. You just want it to sit quite perky on the whisk, just like that. Yum-o. Now just grab a generous spoonful of this cinnamon cream and I'll pop it on top of the strawberries. If that's not the simplest dessert you can make, then I don't know what is, and the flavour is just second to none. The tanginess of the creme fraiche, the sweetness from the strawberries, and a hint of spice from the cinnamon. Perfect dessert, done in moments.